Stop guessing where your time goes and start tracking it precisely by integrating Todoist with Clockify. First, make sure you have both Todoist and Clockify accounts set up and you're logged in. We'll be using a third-party integration tool called Zapier to bridge the gap. Head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap. This is where we'll build our automated connection. Choose Todoist as your trigger app. The trigger event, or what starts the automation, will be new task completed. Connect your Todoist account to Zapier. Zapier will ask for permissions, so grant those to allow the integration to work. Now, select Clockify as your action app. The action event, or what happens after the trigger, will be create time entry. Connect your Clockify account, again granting the necessary permissions. Next, you'll map the data. This tells Zapier which information from Todoist should be sent to Clockify. For example, map the Todoist task name to the Clockify description field. Also map the project name. You can also add optional fields such as tags if you want to categorize your work, or mark the time entry as billable. This helps you understand where your work time is going. Test your Zap to make sure everything's working correctly. Zapier will create a test time entry in Clockify based on a completed task in Todoist. Finally, name your Zap something descriptive, like Todoist to Clockify Time Tracking, and toggle it on, and that's it. Now, whenever you complete a task in Todoist, a corresponding time entry will automatically be created in Clockify. This integration streamlines your workflow by accurately tracking the time spent on your projects and enhancing your efficiency.